How to trade on VT markets. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to start trading using the VT markets. Now there are important considerations first before you go ahead and start using VT markets. First is your account type. Ensure that you're using the Trade broker integration as Top Step X has its own platform. You also need to consider compatibility, data fee, and parameters. To start trading, just head into vtmarkets.com's official site. And if you go right here, just simply click this option here to get started, and you will be landed here. So the very first thing to start for you to start trading or using VT markets is to open a live account within 5 minutes. Input your country of residence, your strong password, email, or if you do have a referee, then just simply input it here. And that's just it. That's how you trade on VT markets.